Thank you. Everything is good. Let's get one papaya.
Yeah, papaya definitely.
Can we get one? This one, please. Thank you.
140.
140. Oh, and stock it up. Thank you. Thank you. 100% natural mineral water. Vitamin. It's called vitamin soap.
Yeah.
That's serious. Fruit text. Alright.
Cheesy cheese.
Yeah. 7-Eleven's top rated snacks. Let's do this. Walking all by yourself?
To make up the story, we are preparing for the hiking. Serious hiking, you know. We train our backs.
Did you forget your phone?
No, excuse me.
With my phone?
Forget to close the.
Watermelon?
This is so green.
The
I mean, the greenest apple I've seen for a while, huh?
This is mixed
apple. No, this is not apple.
Not apple. This is apple.
Oh. It's not apple. This is
I never tried this one actually.
this one.
So
Shall we
let's-
have one of this also? Thank you.
Bye. The cold one? Because
See the menu.
I was hesitant for a while, really, like to clean by walking here. But then I decided, like,
This? Oh, it's not
morning.
Well,
Hey.
I think here it's nicer. Thank you so much.
Chiang Mai Breakfast World.
Yeah, that's the one. Can I do 20% off?
You should. You trained, right? So you can do it. Dun, 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 dun. My gosh. Don't do it. Oh, oh, shit! You broke.
It gets fixed today.
Oh, okay,
It's
okay.
okay, don't worry. It's just
But she could do it, you know.
it's playful.
That's
We're just being
that's
playful.
the thing.
It's
Yeah,
alright.
we'll try.
And this is gonna come out anyway.
But if you go that way hard, maybe not.
Oh, that way? Like
Yeah, yeah,
holding
so
it here?
be possible.
But this is already now broken. You will be the one holding it since you're
Yeah.
strong. You wanna do it? Yeah, you
Yeah,
holding
just
it?
hold it, hold it.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, try.
Yes, let's do it. It moved.
Well, I think you would have got through. I think you would have made it. I think you would
It's
have
just
made it.
being playful.
But that's okay, but I think you made it.
Thank you.
Oh, amazing. Woo. Okay.
Where do you want to sit?
Yeah, our favorite place or yeah, here is better.
This one is
Ikan apa?
vegetarian, right? Without the meat. Yes. Carl, thank you so much. Thank you.
This is so good. It needs to close up.
It's so huge.
It needs to close up.
It's so big. Okay.
2 kilometers, like oh, I'm like a king.
Thank you. I already had registration last time. They pass, yes, please. I'm not sure which one I gave. It should be. Is that our character? Thank you.
Wednesday, Thursday, let's say we are here, or let's say Wednesday, just reconnect, whatever.
Tourists. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Oh my god. Pigeons are gonna overeat and die. They can't eat. Healthy massage.
Okay.
Huh. Thank you. Yes.
So half an hour back, half an hour legs.
Yeah.
And for me the same. Okay?
Thank you.
I heard the sound. Bang it on. Why? Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god.
Okay, so then I stop.